Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can connect the Denon AVR-X520BT receiver to your Android device using the Bluetooth method. So here I'm going to press on the power button to turn on the receiver. Then on your remote control, press on Bluetooth right here. Press on it and it says Bluetooth. Now just wait for a few moments. So it says connecting, so we just wait for that to finish with the connecting. Okay, so once the receiver is ready, it says no connection. Then we go to the remote and press on Bluetooth. Then press on option. And now you can see it say pairing mode. So on my device, I'm going to turn on Bluetooth. Now swipe down, then tap on settings on the Android device. And then tap on connections. Next we go into Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is switched on. And then we go down. Now here it shows available devices is nothing, so because we are too slow, so I have to do it again. So we need to do it fast. So press on Bluetooth, then press on option, and then it's in pairing mode now. And you might need to scan. Press on the scan button. So once it's in pairing mode, we just wait for that. Sometimes you might need to do it a few times. So here I'm going to press on option and then press on enter. So I forgot to press on the enter button, so press on enter. And when it says pairing on your device here, press on the scan button. So it should show Denon, so there it is. Denon, so tap on that. And then tap on pair, so both number matches. Then you tap on the pair button. And here I have to push on the enter button on my remote. And there it is. It shows the name of my device, and I can press on this button here to quickly connect. So this device here allows you to connect multiple mobile devices, so you can connect an Android phone as well as another iPhone, and it will still work. So you can connect more than one devices to this Denon AV receiver. So once it is connected, you can then play music on your phone to stream over to your receiver. Okay, so I'm going to play a song, and here I can turn on dial up. Okay, dial down. And the music is playing from my device right here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.